Here are a few different ways to copy and paste images in Photoshop. So open your target image and then unlock the image layer. And now to copy and paste the entire image, click on select, click on all, then go to edit, click on copy, or you can just press Ctrl C. This will copy your entire image. Now go to the project. In which project you want to paste the copied image, press Ctrl V and your image successfully pasted. You can zoom out the project and you can go ahead and resize your image according to your choice. And now I will show you another way to copy paste. So if you want to copy a particular area, all you have to need, you can just select this Marquee tool to select your image area, or you can select lasso or any other selection tool to select this exact location you want to copy paste, and then just press Ctrl C, go back to your project where you want to paste and just press Ctrl V, and then only your selected part will copy and paste in your project just like this. And if you want to copy and paste something in a selected area, here's how to do it. I'm selecting the Marquee tool and selecting this part, for example, and here I want to copy paste this selected image. So pressing Ctrl C to copy this part and just going to my project, clicking on edit. Here hover over on paste spatial and just click on paste into, and then your selected image will paste into the selection just like this. Click on OK, and this is how we can copy and paste something.